Using an Allen wrench and socket wrench, remove the console stop. This will allow you to flip the console all the way up to extend the gas strut completely. Flip up the console as far as possible using the adjustment lever. Place a 2x4 piece of wood or something that will stand upright underneath the front of the console. When the gas strut is removed, this will give the console something to rest on. Using a socket wrench, remove the two nuts on the opposite ends of the gas strut. Slowly remove the gas strut from the carrier and console bracket. Have someone hold the console while you do this so the console doesn't immediately fall. Lift the console completely up and slide the new gas strut into place on the carrier frame and console bracket. Reinstall the two bolts on the opposite ends of the strut using a socket wrench. Lower the console down to a typical operating position. Reinstall the console stop using an Allen wrench and socket wrench. Finally, test the operation of the console tilt adjustment.